sure, June. You can do it.
But I'm going to need your help. Stand up like me. Go ahead. Get up on your feet. Stand up nice and tall, like a dancer. Excellent. Now, do a plie. Bend your knees like me. Good. Saute. Jump. That's it. Now, battement. Lift your leg in front of you like this. It's working!
The door is starting to open.
Let's do the whole dance together.
Pumba, where's the grub? You just can't help yourself, can you?
Sorry.
Okay, but this time show a little self-control.
There. Plie. Saute. Battement. The door is